Hello guys, Ethan here. I just came outside to try and get some shots of the fireworks for you. But the person had obviously just run out. So this is just going to be a little vlog. Yeah, I've got nothing else to do. Hang on. Might be able to see the fireworks. Yeah, we'll get some more footage of that when it's a bit later. Anyway guys, you might be wondering, Ethan, you just walked in this room, where's your bed? Here she is. It's under construction, it needs cleaning. That's not meant to be that. Yeah, I've moved my bedroom. I apologise for the mess, guys. Here's my bed, Merito mattress, TV, PlayStation. Here's all the good stuff. Here, this is under construction, cleaning stuff. Got a desk. Let's move that. And now, I want to do vlogs. Sit here. Anyway, I just want to give a shout out to Danny. You know who you are, mate. Thanks for commenting on my videos like that. It's rare that we get people like you about. Anyway, guys, I know that I did promise the challenge when we hit 50 subscribers. I think we've like 51 or hit 52. Yeah, mad. Really, thank you guys for that. TV, watching Sunday. We just need to wait until there's more fireworks. Let's go downstairs. Chill with the dogs. Oh wait, there's her. We're doing it. We're looking at it. Yes, we got some of them. Hopefully there'll be more. I'm going to stand in the middle of the bloody road. You can't see fuck all, but the only thing you can see is them street lights and the fireworks when we get them again. Oh bloody hell! Just heard them. I was like, yes, mate. You can hear them. You can hear the little fucks. Wait, the stars are out. It's like mad. I wish you could see them. It's fucking cold. Bloody freezing. There's something wrong with my phone. Bloody hell. At least you saw some of them. Oh. Fucking amazing, dude. Look at that. That's fucking sick. That was sick. That was amazing. That was just amazing. That was fucking gorgeous, that. That was just amazing. Hope I don't want to run out of memory. If I do, I'm just gonna delete some more shit off my phone and just record more. Oh mate, only if I was at a fireworks show. Hang on. Come on out, lovelies. They can go outside, shut the gate. Oh, that was gorgeous. I hope there's more like that. That was gorgeous, that. Yeah, I think it's firework night, so. Oh, bloody hell. When there's loads more fireworks, I'm just going to pick up the camera straight away again. You saw that, guys. Headphone warning, by the way. If I didn't mention that before, which I should have, kind of. I don't know if it was loud on camera. Need to do some jogging. It's fucking cold. It's cold, it's cold, it's cold. And what I really want to do is just literally just put a tripod in. There. Oh, that was sick. Did you see that? Of course you did. Of course you fucking did. You know, all these dogs barking. I think Bugsy and Bindi and Tallulah are shitting themselves. Hi Nola. Hi Crippler. Fucking amazing. Oh wow, that was really good. I missed most of it because I was just deleting bare storage. If you guys didn't know that it caught, it did. I just go, you right, mate? Just filming the fireworks. Oh, he's nice. Yeah. I'll be back with you guys when there's more fireworks. Just saw one guy literally just when I got my shoes. I heard like this fucking firework, but didn't explode. I don't think it's one of them ones. Literally just pegged it. That's when I just started recording real quick. We should be going to a fireworks show soon. Be very good. I'll definitely record that. Get some awesome footage for you guys. Getting my shoes on right now. Oh, that's better. Bloody hell, I'll be back with you when we get some more fireworks. Literally, there's a guy having a piss over the road. Well, that changed very quick. Literally, there's a guy having a piss over the road. That was disgusting. And then the fireworks just came on, celebrating his piss, lads. That's fucked. I'll be fucking back when there's more. Alright guys, I think that's definitely done for the video now. That was crazy. Very mad. I really like that. I mean, and so I know there's going to be more, I think. But